Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. I got one.
This chase is already escalating fast. Speeds are climbing, adrenaline is surging, and every second increases the danger for everyone on the road. One reckless decision can trigger a chain of events that changes lives forever. Would you keep running or pull over before it's too late?
Charlie 65, setting up for a bit. Charlie 65, I need to move there right now, too much traffic. Speed's 90, lane 2.
Charlie 61, 65, where are the charges?
Charlie 65 is going to be a known 83. It's going to be an 83 that's fled from 100. Speed 108, going southbound.
Charlie 53, I'm coming up on you.
Impact. The suspect slams into the wall, but unbelievably keeps going. Crashes like this often end pursuits instantly, yet this driver refuses to give up. Every failed escape attempt only adds more risk, and potentially more criminal charges if this ends in court.
Charlie 65, good hit, crashed into the wall.
Razor.
Charlie 65, continuing 400 southbound, got out of the pit. Charlie 65, we continue 400 south, try to pit it again.
Watch the officers carefully here. They are attempting another pit maneuver, a tactical move designed to safely spin and stop a fleeing vehicle. When performed under the right conditions, it's one of law enforcement's most effective tools, but it's never without risk.
Charlie 65, good pit. He's going to take off on me again. Charlie 65, good third pit.
Charlie 53, you with him? See him.
Charlie 65, he took off again.
You stay at mainline?
Exited to Glen Ridge. Southbound.
Another successful PIT, and somehow the suspect is still moving. At this point, determination has turned into desperation. The longer this pursuit continues, the smaller the chances of escaping and the greater the consequences waiting at the end.
Another good pit. 4 on southbound Glen Ridge. I believe he's going to be done now. Nope, he's still gone.
This is the moment everything changes. Multiple units close in, block every possible escape route, and the chase is finally over. Once officers give commands like get on the ground, compliance is the safest option. Resistance now only makes the situation worse.
TRV block him.
Get on the ground. 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 Get on the ground.
With the suspect finally in custody, the adrenaline begins to fade. But the legal process is only beginning. Every action during this pursuit, from speeding to resisting arrest, will now be examined. Was running ever worth the consequences? That's the question every fleeing suspect eventually has to answer.
Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. I got one. Give me right. I got the other one. I got the head. I got the head. Get passenger. I got head.
He's on 400.